Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Cam Info. The simple phrase, hope you all are ready for 1 terabyte phones. He didn't elaborate any further, but it looks like we're in for 1 terabyte iPhone 13s. Right now, the highest amount of storage you can purchase in any iPhone, including the most recent iPhone 12 line, is 512 gigabytes. Most other smartphones that compete with the iPhone offer up to 256 gigabytes. Going all out with 1 terabyte of space would be a massive game changer for those who tend to need to store gobs of data on their phones. Having an iPhone 13 with the same amount of storage as the brand new Xbox Series X would be a massive boon in many ways, and would see it touting more storage than the PS5's 825 gigabytes SSD. There would be far less deleting of apps and games to make room for new ones, plenty more space for photos, and even the capacity to use the iPhone as something of a portable, cloud-based hard drive. Of course, Prosser didn't elaborate on his reasoning for suggesting there may soon be iPhones with such large storage capacities, but given his track record, it's highly possible this is something we might see going forward with the iPhone 13. I hope this information very informative for you. Please subscribe Cam Info YouTube channel for more cameras information.